Let's be honest, हम में से किसी के पास भी 10 step skincare routine का time नहीं है, but still we all want clean, glowy and healthy looking skin, especially in this insane summer heat. Trust me, only 3 products under 3 minutes. Bonus, it's the perfect skin prep for makeup. Step number 1, use Oat and Glycolic Acid Gel Toner. ये gentle exfoliator dead skin हटाता है, texture smooth करता है और glow boost करता है without any burning or peeling. Use it at night 2 to 3 times a week and always follow up with AccuPair Skin Barrier Repair Cream. Step number 2, AccuFix Skin Barrier Repair Cream with niacinamide, panthenol and ceramides. Use it after toner at night and in the morning you can use it alone. Don't forget your neck. 3-star ingredients जो आपकी skin को hydrate भी करता है और barrier repair भी करता है. You can use it alone in the morning only if your skin feels dry. वरना आप sunscreen से पहले इसको skip कर सकते हैं. Step number 3 and the most important step. Sunscreen. If you want glowy, soft and dewy finish, go for Invisible Shield SPF. But if you want a matte, primer-like finish, then go for Ultimate Sunscreen. Apply it every single morning as your last step of skincare routine, even if you are not going out. This also doubles as a moisturizer and has no white cast. All 3 are lightweight, non-comedogenic and layered like a dream. No white cast, no heaviness, no peeling. And because we know you are not stopping at skincare, here's a quick result of how flawlessly my second skin BB Skin Tint applies after just 3 steps.